everyone, I'm Erica, and in this video I'm going to be showing you 14 sites that you can download free stock images, stock photos for your blog, your videos, your social media accounts, and they do not require attribution. So the first site on my list is Unsplash.com. I love this site so much. I use it all the time, and most of my images on my YouTube videos, I get them from here. So how do you download images? You just go ahead and click on an image that you want to download. You can click the download icon up here, or you can save the image as. So the next site on my list is Pixabay. I love Pixabay. It's awesome. They have a lot of cool images, and you can search by categories. What you can find on Pixabay that you won't find on most sites is the option to choose from illustrations, to choose from vector graphics. You can also find videos on here that are free that you can use in your YouTube videos. So next on the list is Pexels.com, Pexels.com. They also have a lot of cool images that you can use for free, so you can go ahead and check it out, guys. Next we have Pickle Grass. Now this site is a little bit new. It hasn't been around as long as Unsplash and Pixabay, but they have some cool images that you can go ahead and check out. These are all high resolution images. You can go ahead and check it out. Then we have freeimages.com. This one is a lot similar to Pixabay, and you can find a lot of cool images on here. So go ahead and check it out. Then we have freestocks.org. This one I just got to know about, and they have a lot of amazing images on here. I just love the way, you know, these the images light up in the kind of dark backgrounds. These ones are kind of cool for Instagram. So if you have an Instagram account, you can go ahead and use this site. Then we have negativespace.co. They have some cool images here. Their images are mostly, you know, vibrant, and these ones are great for Pinterest if you use Pinterest. And Twitter. You can use these images on Pinterest and Twitter. They're going to work really well. Next we have Pic Jumbo. I love Pic Jumbo because you can search by categories. You see, they have some amazing images on here. They're so beautiful, and I think I'm gonna download this one right now as we speak, guys. Okay, so I am just gonna go ahead and save this image as, because I just love that color, guys. Next we have Shot Stash. I don't know how to pronounce that, but yeah, this is another cool site that you can find some high definition images for your blog post, guys, so you can go ahead and check it out. And the list is in my latest post on Start a Mommy Blog, so you can go ahead and check it out, guys. Okay, so for this site, you can find a lot of feminine images for Pinterest. If you're a blogger and you add images to Pinterest, you want to go ahead and use this site. Now, you can't just go ahead and download images from here. You can go ahead and access their library. So all you got to do is sign up, and they're going to send you a password that you can use to access the library and download a lot of different images from this site. This one is called styledstock.co, and the links are in the blog post. And then we have PixieStalk. This is also a membership site that you can join their library by adding in your email address, and you can access their different packages of stock photography for free. So all you got to do is go up here, and you can enter your email address, and you can join, and they're going to give you a password that you can use to enter the library. This one I love. This one is called StockShop, scstockshop.com. And similar to the two previous sites that I mentioned, you can go ahead and add in your email address in here, and they're going to give you a password to go ahead and download 20 of these free stock images that you can use on Pinterest. You're going to also have access to their library, so you can go ahead and grab extra images every single month. So this one is for food bloggers. This one is called foodiesfeed.com. They have a lot of different, oh my God, when you get on this site, you're going to feel hungry because they have a lot of cool, beautiful looking food images on here that you can download completely free. Whatever it is that you're looking for, you just go ahead and type it in there and you're going to be able to get an image relevant to your search. So last but not least, and this I kept the best for last because I just love this lady. Her site is called ivorymix.com. And this is where you're going to be able to get 550 stock photos for free, guys. You go ahead, the link is in my blog post. You go ahead and you sign up and you're going to get a lot of beautiful stock images for your blog post. So go ahead and check it out. I'm going to leave a link for the blog post in the description of this video so you can check it out and you can download these images. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you have some requests for videos that I could make in the future, please leave them in the comments below. You guys are awesome as always.